Hello and welcome back to Productive Dragons channel to Vlogmas day 16. Alright, as always we start with Cute, Pop, and Vintage. Okay, let's see what we got in the Cute. Go ahead and put that on the background. Here we go. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Pop, if I can get it. There we go. Okay, alright, stationery. Blue foiling. Okay. And Vintage. What do we have in Vintage? Ooh. Okay. Alright. Vintage, Pop, and Cute. Alright, so what did I think? Well, if I'm going to have to pick, I'm going to go Pop, Cute, Vintage. Not my style. This Vintage is not my style. I get it, but I don't care for it. So that's where I'm going. Any disagreements, please put them down below. Put the listing how you like it. Curious to see how you would rate that. Alright. Next we have the 16th, which I accidentally almost busted open one time and decided glad it didn't open completely until yesterday. Alright, so is this my 0? Nope, this is a ghosty. Alright, so we get ghosty. Alright, interesting. Next, we have Dragon in the Forest. Alright. And this guy is... kind of a Halloween kind of dragon. Okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Next, we have the other dragon one. Alright, and this one looks like so. I like him, he's kind of cool. Alright. Alright. We have twice sheared sheep, and it's a guess a notion. Alright. What notion is this? This is, clothing labels, handmade with love, kindred spirit. Okay, and I believe they're wooden. That would be my guess. Oh, nice. It's nice and wooden. So yeah, alright. If I made clothing, that would be great. So that's pretty cool. Sue's yarn. And we have this today. Let's make sure I put down that this is number 16. I believe there's 24 in this, so on the 24th day I will name all these. So there we go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So, okay. Alright. Next is K Studio. Okay, alphabet in silver lettering. Alright. Very small, but okay. I've got a feeling this is Cora's. This is going to be another pet tape one. That's what I'm thinking. I could be completely wrong, but that's what I'm thinking, and I would be correct. Diddly dog. Okay, let's see what we got. I am curious. Okay, so let's open this baby up and see. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is pretty freaking cool. Oh, all right. Cora is hitting it. every day, every time. I'm just amazed at all the stuff I'm getting from Cora. I was asked by my roommate, or as some people call her, Mama Mary, what I was thinking of my Advent calendar so far, and I said, there's some, you know, I had wished, because I didn't know at the time. I thought they were going to be figurines, but I still like the dragon ones, even though they're acrylic figurines. They're not figurines like the Nightmare Before Christmas. But there's just one that I was kind of, I'm so far disappointed. I'm not really happy with, but I think I'm going to wait a little bit before I go any further. And on the last day of each one, I will give you my true thought process on them. So there we go. All right, we have Krista one, which is, so let's see what stone I get today. Ooh, a green garnet. Huh. Creativity, abundance, self-confidence. Okay. Chakra heart, element earth, zodiac Leo, Scorpio, and then complementary crystals is green amethyst, rose quartz, emerald, and malachite. Okay. Very, very cool. Alright. Now, as you know, we do not do the Phantom Fiction or Fiction Phantom, but we did get the Twisted. So I'm going to start it today. As you see, I get this, and it doesn't tell me anything, so what I'm going to do is open this baby up. Love the sticker that they've got. And let's see what we've got. And what the heck is this? Okay. Tea? Is this what it is? Yeah. Peppermint chai herbal tea. Huh. OMG, this is too cute. Here's the tea fuser. He's a skull. Yeah. OMG. And then we have a scooper for the tea itself. What you got this dude? That's pretty cool. Let's see here. What does this say? All right. Exclusive tea will warm you up at the start of the Advent season. It's made by the Simply Bookish Co. For this box, enjoy the bonus spoon. Cool. Check out the sticker. So that's kind of cool. Okay. Very interesting. And the spoon was a bonus. Okay, cool. Ah, that's so cool. Alright. Alright. So that is our first for our Twisted Retreat. Alright. Next we have Addison and Sedwick. Okay. Alright. And it's Johnny Appleseed. I would go red because of apples. And I think I'm right. There we go. So, okay. All right. I would be right. It is a red. see if I can get a little bit more red in here. Really nice. And there is our red. Okie dokie. All right. Then we got this. Cult pens. I'm not really sure what we have. I have no idea. Is this another? It's a glue tape. I thought it was a correction tape. It's not. It's a glue tape. So this is a glue tape. Oh, pretty cool. All right. So we have a glue tape. Oh, that's pretty awesome. All right. Now, for the goodies, what everybody's waiting on. We will start with our Colorvent, and we will find number 16. All right. Polar night. In a season without sunrise, the sky rests under an overlapping purples and pinks. Interesting. Okay. Now takes the fun part of getting this out. All right. This out of the way. All right. Okay. So purples and pinks, huh? Whoa. I was not expecting that. I was expecting it to be darker. But surprise, surprise, it's not. It's a very light purple. How about that? Wow. I would have never thought that. But hey, okay, that makes sense. Okay. Interesting. Now for the other one, which is 16's right here. Ruby Tafaretta? I am probably mispronouncing that. All right. This is a chameleon. Okay, another one. I don't have to really shake good and all. All right. Let's see what color this is. I'm going with a red, but a red of what? Okay. Wow, that is a red. Okay. Interesting. Very light to very dark. Gotta say, it's been interesting with the inks. I have been enjoying the inks. Wow. We're seeing a little bit of, not by much, but that's kind of a little different. I don't know if it's going to work or not on the chameleons, but all in all, it's quite an interesting thing with the inks. So, as I said, I started the edition of the Twisted Retreat. That one is going to be up until Christmas Day. What did you think of today's bunch? Let me know in the comments below. Which one are you enjoying all these? I'm curious what you're thinking. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. What's been your favorite Advent calendar so far? Or Advent calendars. It could be more than one. Like the video. And tomorrow I'll see you at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time for day 17. Until then, have a wonderful day.